The topic for standard 9 maths, midpoint theorem. According to midpoint theorem, the straight line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and is equal to half of it. For example, अगर AB का midpoint है E और AC का midpoint है F, the line joining the midpoint of AB and AC, line joining the midpoint of these two lines is parallel to the third side. That means EF is parallel to BC and EF is equal to half of BC. The line joining the midpoint of any two sides of a triangle, ट्रायंगल के कोई भी दो साइड के मिड पॉइंट को ज्वाइन करने वाला लाइन, ट्रायंगल के दो साइड के मिड पॉइंट को ज्वाइन करने वाला लाइन will be parallel to the third side and will be half of it. If E is the midpoint of AB, if E is the midpoint of AB and F is the midpoint of AC, तो EF will be parallel to BC and EF will be equal to half of BC. ये है मिड पॉइंट थ्योरम कि अगर ये मिड पॉइंट है तो ये लाइन इससे पैरेलल होगा और इसका हाफ होगा. We shall discuss one question of this midpoint theorem. Now see, in the figure given below, this triangle is A, B and C. D, E, F are midpoint of BC, CA and AB. क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया हुआ है? D, E, F. D, E, F are midpoint of BC, CA and AB. Okay, we'll join this with dotted line. What you have to do in this? Now, in this question, D, E, F are midpoint of BC, D, E, F are midpoint of BC, AC and AB. D is the midpoint of BC, D is the midpoint of BC, and E is the midpoint of AC, and F is the midpoint of AB. What you have to do in this question? In this question, they have given you the dimensions. They have given the dimensions. For example, यहाँ पे AB is equal to 6 centimeter, BC is equal to 4.8 centimeter, and AC is equal to 5.6 centimeter. You have to find perimeter. You have to find perimeter of trapezium. You have to find the perimeter of trapezium FBCE and perimeter of triangle DEF. पहले हम लोग क्या करेंगे? सेकंड पार्ट सॉल्व करेंगे. बहुत ही आसान क्वेश्चन है. देखो, मिड पॉइंट थ्योरम क्या बोलता है? मिड पॉइंट थ्योरम, द स्ट्रेट लाइन joining the two midpoints of a triangle will be parallel to the third side and will be half of it. अगर ये midpoint है तो this line is parallel to the third side and is equal to half of it. देखो, आपको यहाँ पे AB दिया हुआ है. AB is 6 centimeter, BC is 4.8 and AC equal to 5.6 centimeter. Now, in triangle ABC, number 1, F is the midpoint of AB. F is the midpoint of AB. In triangle ABC, F is the midpoint of AB. Number 2, E is the midpoint of AC. F is the midpoint of AB. E is the midpoint of AC. So, EF is parallel to BC and EF equal to half of BC by midpoint theorem. समझ में आया? यहाँ पे क्या बोला गया देखो, एफ मिड पॉइंट है ए बी का, एफ मिड पॉइंट है ए बी का, ई मिड पॉइंट है ए सी का, this is the midpoint, this is the midpoint, so this line EF will be parallel to BC. F midpoint है, E midpoint है, तो EF is parallel to BC and EF is equal to half of BC by midpoint theorem. What does midpoint theorem say? The straight line joining the two midpoints of a triangle, the straight line joining the midpoint of any two sides of a triangle will be parallel to the third side and will be equal to half of it. BC. Now see, EF is equal to half BC. So EF is equal to half into 4.8, which is equal to 2.4. In this question, they have asked you to find the perimeter. They have asked you to find the perimeter. They have asked you to find the perimeter of the trapezium. How will you find the perimeter of the trapezium? See, this is the trapezium they're talking about. The trapezium FBCE. This red shaded part. This is the trapezium FBCE. ये FBCE का आपको FBC का आपको पेरीमीटर निकालना है। तो पेरीमीटर ऑफ ट्रपीजियम FBCE, पेरीमीटर ऑफ ट्रपीजियम FBCE इज EF प्लस FB प्लस BC प्लस CE. Perimeter of the trapezium will be EF. Perimeter of trapezium will be EF plus FB plus BC plus CE. EF. EF is equal to half of BC. EF equal to half of BC. FB is half of AB. Why is FB half of AB? FB is the mid. F is the midpoint. याद करो F क्या है? Midpoint है. F midpoint है इसीलिए F midpoint है इसीलिए FB is half of AB. FB is half of AB plus BC, you know, and C is half of CE. CE is half of AC plus half AC. Half BC plus half AB plus BC plus half AC. 2.4 plus 3 plus 4.8 plus 2.8. Check the answer. What is the answer? 5.5. 13. You add all these, you get the answer 13. So perimeter of the trapezium is 13. Now you also have to find the perimeter of triangle DEF. I am shading it with black. You also have to find the perimeter of triangle DEF. Perimeter of triangle DEF is equal to EF plus DF plus DE. EF plus DF plus DE. Now EF is half of BC. Now look at this triangle. If you look at the triangle in this way, D is the midpoint of BC. D is the midpoint of BC. If you turn your notebook like this, what do you get? D is the midpoint of BC. F is the midpoint of AB. So DF is half of AC. DF is half of AC. D midpoint है, F midpoint है, तो DF is half of AC. Similarly, D midpoint है, E midpoint है, तो D is half of AB. D midpoint है, E midpoint है, तो D is half of AB. और अगर यहाँ पे D midpoint है, F midpoint है, तो DF is half of AC. So we can write यहाँ पे similarly. You can write similarly. DF is half AC and DE is equal to, similarly DF is equal to half AC and DE is equal to half AB. Now right here, EF is equal to half of BC, DF is equal to half of AC, and DE is equal to half of AB. 1 by 2 into 4.8, 1 by 2 into 5.6, and 1 by 2 into 6. 2.4 plus 2.8 plus 3. What is the answer? 3 plus 2 plus 2, 7. 8.2, I guess. 8.2 is the answer.